Hi, I'm Fidos Dimitri, owner of Fidoscapes. Come have a ride along with me, a project we just completed. We had to be creative in a tight space. Let's go. I've been doing hardscaping for 9 years now. I actually started off in graphic design and then branched over to landscape design. That was fun, but it was kind of boring. So started to create stuff. That's what got me more motivated. Kind of helped me get inspired. Was the creating part of it. So 9 solid years. I guess I'm kind of lucky because I've had the same guys for the last 9 years. They're all fun guys to work with. They kind of understand what I expect, and I understand what they expect as employees. And I treat them more as business partners than employees, right? So it's not just bossing people around. It's more like, this is the project that we're taking on, and this is what needs to get done first. So let's come up with a game plan, everybody together, and I'm pretty flexible, so they got some great input as well. And they're honestly teaching me things every day too, by treating them well and listening to what they want and what their, what the demands are. If we need certain tools, or if we need, they need time off. People have families, and just respecting their life, right? What I found over the years is communication is key with clients. So basically, at the end of the day, we'll bring a client outside and go through with them what has been done, what the plan is for tomorrow, and so on. And basically communicating constantly, every day, either if they're not home, through text or through calling or whatnot. Little things that we do for customer service is, if we're making a lot of mess in terms of dust and stuff like that, we like to give out car wash coupons to the neighbors. Just a little gesture to say sorry for the inconvenience. It doesn't cost much, and it goes a long way. One of the design challenges in the GTA is space. Space seems to be more and more limited. So the way we deal with small spaces is basically by going vertical. If you can't go far or wide, you got to go up. So that's one of the big things we look at in terms of space for small spaces. We're going to head to a site right now that has small space, and that was one of the challenges that we had, was creating a space that's enjoyable for the family in a small backyard.
All right, so this project that you're about to see, space was limited, and we kind of talked about creating some space to make it enjoyable all year long. Originally, the project, or the pavilion, the homeowners wanted it off the house, and when I suggested doing a separate pavilion away from the house, that way you can have kind of 2 little sections of room, one for dining, one for conversational, and it would also give you room to keep the pool. We created this space, this pavilion, using different textures, different stone, using barn board wood to get that effect of very comforting, very homey feel. And this is the concept, and this is the creative aspect of it. So my clients are obviously very happy with the project. They get to enjoy it from basically April till October, November. We created a space where you have a little bit of heat. The fan also helps. It brings down some of that heat. And this time of the year, we're starting to get to the point where the temperatures are starting to drop. And you can still sit out here October, November, and really enjoy this space. So we use all kind of products, but I find with the Oaks pavers in general, the blends are very good, and they're consistent all the time. And they're just a very sleek looking paver, and clients seem to just soak it up. They love it. dark roast, half milk. Steel. Ford. 97.7. TFC. Jordan. Gretzky. Probably at a bar. Never. Buy a lunch. Beat a pit. Every Saturday.
So as a thank you for letting us ride along with you today, we got a gift here from Royal Boots.
Thank you.
Also, we have this certificate for $250 from Oaks Landscape Products. Again, as a thank you for allowing us to ride along with you to this nice site today.
Thank you.
It's a bit cheesy.